We've seen with USA Today that people are far more worried about their finances right now than their health. Why? Because they're relying on a stock market they don't control. It's not too late. There's things that you can do immediately. I get the stock market had its worst day since 1987. I know the NBA canceled or postponed their season. I was supposed to go to the Lakers Jazz game. We've seen March Madness and everything that's happening with the delay there. South by Southwest, all being canceled. All these things have either been put on hold, removed, and the reality is most people are filling that space with the wrong conversations. The conversations of fear, worry, and doubt that create scarcity and destroy wealth. So what can you do with that worry? It's really about having the knowledge and insight of what you can do, like I'm doing up here, by sharing the message that we've been sharing for years, but most people couldn't hear. The first time people listened to this message was in 2000, 2001, and 2002. 3 straight years of losses in the stock market. People were panicked, they were worried, but a lot of people got free from having to rely on the stock market providing for their financial lives. They learned how to make money on the buy, and there's never been a better time than there's going to be in the next year or maybe year and a half because of everything we're seeing today. There's still time for you to prepare. There's ways to create cash flow immediately rather than wait for 30 years hoping everything works out and finding out 95% of the time people are not economically and financially independent at age 65 here in America. Not for lack of effort, but for lack of information and the wrong system and structure. If you're in that place where the stock market went down and so did your mindset, or the stock market went down and so did your hope for the future, or that you're more worried about that than even your health, your family, and being productive, it's time to change the channel. It's time to attend the thing that we're providing at no charge. Why are we providing at no charge? Because we were built for these times. We're talking about how you thrive in great times all the time, but especially how you prepare for the bumpy rides, whether it doesn't have to derail or destroy you. There's absolutely strategies and structures. Times like this provide opportunity. This is where wealth is created at massive levels. So I just held a private training for our clients to share exactly what I'm doing and the things that they would look to navigate in order to come out of this not only okay, but even better off. We're going to give it away for free. So you can tap below to request access. It's free because right now, this isn't about money. This is about community. This is about helping one another. This is about doing what we can to lead and serve and solve our major problems. People have questions. Are we going to slip into a recession? Yeah, but does that recession have to recess your finances? Should you sell everything? That's a big question for a lot of people. And there's all your brokers telling you to stay the course, just wait it out. But how long? And does that make sense for you? And you're your greatest asset. Is it dragging you into scarcity? Because scarcity destroys wealth. Fear, doubt, and worry is not the mantra that's going to get you through. It's about ingenuity, innovation, and insight that creates strategy that's sustainable.